sins I commit then could turn this place to Rome.
Can you see my eyes through this?
But one of these nights you're gonna realize it. If I'm the guy for you, Brooke Davis, you'll see.
I wanted you to fight for me.
How was I supposed to know that?
You just are.
I have cancer. Your other mom should be dead soon. You really are a bitch. I'm not the one that sent Ellie away.
Tell Haley that song is a hit. How are things with Nathan?
If you think I'm gonna let you mistreat Haley, you're wrong. Because if you do, I'm gonna hurt you.
The roots are still there. It just takes time. Stay with me tonight.
Oh, I was hoping you would say that.
Yummy, I think you're in the wrong store. You're looking for Slut Barn.
So, you two bury the hatchet yet?
If anything, I'm going to bury it in her throat.
If I wanted to watch cheerleaders wrestle, I'd turn on pay-per-view.
Nice.
This kind of turns me on. Fantasy boy draft. I pick Lucas.
I pick Nathan.
I get skills. Wait!
Tell Whitey I have a heart condition. I'm off the team.
Yeah, and if I don't tell Whitey about your heart condition, you're off the planet. I love you.
I still do love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.